In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Monday.com doc. If you're new to using Monday.com or just looking to expand your toolkit, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate your attention to the left panel of your Monday.com interface. You should see a small plus icon sitting next to the name of your current workspace. Clicking on this icon is your first step toward creating a new document within Monday.com. This is essentially like opening a door to a multitude of options that can enhance your workspace, so go ahead and click on it. Once you do that, a drop-down menu will appear on your screen, presenting you with a variety of choices. These options allow you to expand on what you can do within your Monday workspace. For this task, your focus should be on selecting Doc from the list. This option is what will allow you to create a new document seamlessly within your environment. Now, Monday.com doesn't just stop at giving you a blank slate. They offer a range of templates that you can utilize to jumpstart your project. If you prefer a structured beginning, you're going to want to create your new doc using a template. So after selecting Doc, you'll notice an option to dive into templates. Here, you'll want to carefully browse through the available templates. Take your time to find one that aligns closely with the purpose or style you're aiming for. Maybe you need something for project planning, tracking, or even just brainstorming. Once you've found the ideal template, click on it. This is where you make the template your own, so don't be shy about using the Use Template button to officially bring it into your workspace. With the document created, your next move is into the creative realm of editing. Now is the time to input all those ideas floating around in your head. The template serves as your canvas, ready for you to replace and add your unique data and insights. Pour your creativity and information into it, molding it until it perfectly encapsulates what you need to get done. And just like that, you've successfully created your Monday.com doc. It's a straightforward process, isn't it? These kinds of tools can really enhance the efficiency and organization within your workspace. From here, you can further customize and tweak your document as you continue to navigate through your project. I hope this guide has provided the clarity you needed to get started. Remember, the more you play around with these features, the more intuitive it'll become, helping you make the most out of your Monday.com experience. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!